Kadba ke Jingtalasi jong KHUBOR Pulit ke Ribhoi kadang yan hasurok ba National Highway hanong po. Arngut kibrio bompat lah ban ithu kila Phet Krad yala de bat no ya kawai ke kali expresso kabadon new number AS not Uwei EG nyo ar lai saw hapadeng surok kabala pensubas new ya kipulin. Ya kate ka kali ka badang thmu ban hiar shgohati la yo bat no de kipulit ke Ribhoi hakapor kumba khatar sopho buji AA shiteng sinya bat ha ke jingtala si shapo lalap penban ye ki song ganja shapo kate ka kali katba arngut ki basyong hapo kila Phet Krad no yaladi bat syum kabu ya ke jingdom jong kamin hadien ke jingtala si nakaliang ki pulen kila kurup no ya kate ka kali bat kite ki song jingdi buat bat minta kasni ha ke jingdon lang kinong sakhi la seino ikite ki song ganja na kate ka kali kibadon kumba arpupra song bat ke jingkhia kumba arspa anrio point san pusau nakaliang ki pulit kidang penlong ke jing toket banthwet ikite ki arngut ba Phet Krad nagate ka kali badru bande kat kum ki kendon ke NDPSI
Wah, ni lah. Kita ni sini diwan kan? Diwan ni habis itu kita saya sendiri je. Wih. Kalau mesin saya begini jauh lah. Tunggu deh tu. Ada? Mari jual. Mari jual. Ada. Baik, ini ada lagi ya, lagi dan semua ni ah. Minta yang sini ada sendiri semua. Tinggi, mana tempat ni?
The CM Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the Government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. The mission offers a variety of solar systems to meet different needs. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 50-90% subsidy with the remaining amount for larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application through the district administration or contact your nearest block development officer, BDO.